All right, so in today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to add different types of pictures to our PowerPoint presentation. For instance, let's say you wanted to put in an image to enrich your presentation and make it look or stand out, to make it look nicer or make it more presentable. You can decide to add pictures to your presentation. And in adding pictures to your presentation, you would first of all have to come to the Insert tab over here and click Insert. Once you click the Insert, just right below the Insert, you can see pictures and you can see online pictures. So if you have the differences between these two is that this option here is going to open or give you access to the pictures currently downloaded or stored on your computer. However, this is going to take you to the internet and give you the opportunity to search for a picture online and download it and also apply it to your presentation. So I'm going to use pictures and I'm going to select one of these guys. So I'll select, I think I downloaded some pictures on my desktop. I'm going to select this picture. By selecting it, I can decide to highlight it and click insert, or I just double click it and it will be inserted. So now that it's inserted into our presentation, you can also edit it and make it, you can decide to edit it and make it better. You can better it up. So by editing it, you can decide to either increase the size. These guys say allows you to either increase the size or the width of it. You could rotate it like this, any way to make the picture appear nicer. Good. So this is how you insert a picture into your Microsoft Office, I mean your presentation on Microsoft PowerPoint. Also, now that we have our picture inserted, we have some options here to edit our picture. You can see as we hover our cursor over the styles of the picture, picture styles here, you can see some of the ways we could edit our picture. Clicking on the drop down button here will also give us other options in editing our picture. Some basic editing options right here. All right, so I'm just going to select one of these. I think this is going to be better. Then I have the option to either drag and drop it anywhere we want. And then when we run a slideshow, this is how it's going to look like. All right, so that's how you insert a picture into your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So the next one, or the next time we meet, we're going to talk about inserting shapes into our PowerPoint presentation. So see you in the next tutorial.